Today I'm back with the fake Martin D45. Once again, I don't understand why they put Martin on it, because this is a really great looking guitar and it sounds amazing. So if they didn't have that up there, I would recommend this guitar all day, but with them having that fake logo up there, I just can't do it. But anyways, I want to give you some sound samples because this guitar is awesome. Here we go. Thing is so full, and it's got nice lows and crystal clear highs. Here we go. Once again, if they didn't have that logo up there, I'd recommend this guitar. With it having it up there, dude, you're just getting a fraud.